Here we go. First day of wheat harvest. Lunch pack, ham sandwich, some chips, some fruit snacks, lots and lots of drinks. Ready to go. The combines are running. Getting filled up. Let's go. And I've been to Hudson Ag twice already to get parts. So we're rocking and rolling this morning, folks. Way to Napa Auto Parts for a hydraulic line. Woohoo!
It's third time's a charm. So it's a charm. It is 10:15 and we have been to Hudson Ag now 3 times.
Else is combining right now. I'm eating lunch because my combine's still broke. So, ham sandwich, provolone cheese, green peppers from the garden, and a little grease.